The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, till 7:45 p.m.
Now this tornado warning now extends for Lake County, for McHenry County and northwestern Cook. It's going to be impacting across Elgin. Now other cities. Danger storm now approaching Naperville. Now we got this. Now it stands for near Wisconsin. Another severe thunderstorm warning for Chicago. Now we got the tornado warning here. 7:17. We got the. So now the time. So look at here. It will be in across the city of. Now in the city of Elgin. Now the severe thunderstorm warning is extending for Chicago. But it's gonna take it. Now we got Cook and DuPage in Kane County. This is Lake County as well.
In a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois. Northwestern Weather County in northeastern Illinois.
Now this one is for DuPage in Cook County.
Debris will be dangerous to children without shelter.
Going northeast. Now extending for Carol's Stream. Now we got one here for DuPage and Cook County. It looks like we got the village of Glendale, Heights and Hoffman Estates will be expecting. Now this is the first winter tornado severe weather. Not the winter, but spring one.
Yourself from flying debris. Tornado warning remains in effect until 7:30 p.m. for northeastern Ford County. 7:19 tornado warning remains in effect until 7:30 p.m. for northeastern King County. Extending from near 7:19 p.m. Severe thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes will along the line.
Now it's gonna extend for. It's now gonna hit Schaumburg, Bartlett, Greenwood, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, with Chicago, Roselle, Bloomingdale, Winfield, and Wayne. Some other locations.